Now I'm gonna cough. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Thank you. But listen. That I'm gonna be doing that while I'm living or staying here. Ah. Gotta tell you. I asked Purple games and shit like that. And he had his own I'm might have to go to the doctor by Halsey, right? I'm not doing private. Agent! You have a thing for short women? It's gonna be painful. Thank you, Christian. Excuse me. So that's what I did. Yeah. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Sorry. He said, fuck all that. It's old. Maybe it's... I love you. But then I got sick, of course. Excuse me. Excuse me. I did have mucus at first, but now there's no mucus. Now it's just really hard for me to breathe. Without coughing, as you heard. Excuse me. Fuck me. And I really like it. Excuse me. Watch it. I slept all day. Excuse me. The Cosby Show.